Hi there, thanks for stopping by. Spotless Cleaning Solutions specialise in commercial office cleaning. We know exactly what is required and offer a professional, reliable service with the best possible result at a reasonable price. Are you looking for a cleaning company that doesn't slip in standards, allowing you to concentrate on your work rather than worrying about the standard of cleaning at your premises? Trust the professionals at Spotless for your commercial office cleaning. Everyone can appreciate working in a clean and safe environment. When you implement the right cleaning programs, it helps keep less staff on sick leave and helps staff work more effectively and efficiently. At Spotless Cleaning Solutions, we understand the importance of keeping the workplace as clean as possible. We can also provide carpet cleaning, stain treatment, 24-hour emergency water extraction and restoration. By cleaning your commercial carpet regularly, it extends the life of your carpets, helps keep the carpet in pristine condition, kills harmful germs such as dust mites, helps prevent allergies and removes odour-causing bacteria. A cluttered desk, dirty cafeteria, smelly toilets, stains and so forth can harm your office's reputation. We can tailor the right program to suit you. At Spotless, we have professionally trained cleaners assigned to every job that is equipped with the latest equipment and technology to meet and exceed your requirements. Anywhere, anytime, allow us to take care of the cleaning for you. For a free on-site quote, call us today or send us an email. Feel free to browse through the other wide range of services we offer. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.